This painting originally had a small rip in it, but in storage something was leaned against it, and the rip got larger and larger and larger and finally out of control. I envision a Mr. Bean skit of him falling into and through the painting. While this is an extreme example of a ripped painting, this video shows you how we repair rips in all paintings on canvas. One of the art conservators in our lab, Oriana Montemurro, will explain to you how we rejoin the fibers of the rip.
Well, it takes a lot of time to rejoin every fiber one by one and to make sure that everything is realigned together.
Even though the rip's fiber ends are rejoined with surgical precision, a backing or lining is required to stabilize the condition, the expansion of the fibers, and the paint layers on the other side of the painting. The painting structure has been through a very stressful, traumatic experience. Conservation-grade, reversible materials are used in this process. Once the painting is lined, it is structurally sound. Texture is added to make it match the original. Conservation-grade in-painting colors are used, they're varnish-based, and oil paint is never used. These colors should never shift in color and should always be easy to remove. Once we've completed our work, you should not be able to see the damage with your naked eye. Here's a before conservation shot to remind you what the painting used to look like. And here's what the painting looks like in its new frame. And here we are back with Heber and his sad situation. This is what he looked like after we were done. Here's a close-up of the head area and the big rip, and here's a close-up of that same area. A good collection care tip would be to have plenty of double-walled cardboard sheets to interleaf paintings in storage. Fragile frames also need care, and that's the subject of another video.